Hello, in this tutorial I'll take you through the dress up features, specifically edge fillet. So edge fillet is the command which allow you to smoothen out sharp edges. So for example, if I want to smoothen out this edge over here, I'll select this and I'll select the edge fillet. If I want the radius of the smooth surface to be say 8 mm, going to make that edge smooth, or it's going to round it off into a fillet. I can do this by selecting multiple edges also. So if I select two edges, these two, 1 and 2, give the same radius 8 mm, going to make it for both of them. This way you can select multiple edges, whether these edges are lying on the same face or whether they are on different faces. You can select them. You can also select the full face and it will give fillet to all the edges which are related to that face. So I'm selecting this face over here, this face. Instead of selecting the edge, I'm selecting the face. So it automatically selects all the edges which are relating to that face and it will give the fillet to all those edges. So that is the fillet command. Now to just do one more on this one, I'll just make a rectangle vertical rectangular block. So if I just want to round off this base of the block, so what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to fillet these edges 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I'll fillet the bottom. Now if you see, after I filleted these 4 edges, now I can select the bottom edge as a whole. So it selected the whole periphery of the block, and now I can just press OK, and it created a edge fillet at the base of the vertical block. So that is the edge fillet command.